Hello there, I'd love to welcome you to this video. My names are Luwasi Forex, and we're here to find out how to trade, stock options. I think it's very important to learn how to trade stock options. So, welcome to this video. As we sit here, you and I, we try to figure out how to trade stock options. Now, right now in the market, there are two stocks that are trending. Right now, the S&P 500 is trending, even though the market has crashed, and we have Nvidia as well. So let's start with that. Let's look at Nvidia. Let's look at Nvidia. And then let's look at the stock market. Okay. So you can see, even though the market has crashed, it is trending upwards. Okay. AKA it has found a bottom. Now let's see if we can find something to trade. Excuse me. So we're in this together. We're in this mission together. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to select the Dow Industrial Jones. Then we're going to check the average price change. So we're going to look for 3% moves. So the only 3% move is Nvidia, followed by Amazon. So we're looking for 3% movers. The highest being Nvidia and the lowest being Apple. Okay. And we're having an earnings report coming on this Thursday next week, about in 2 weeks' time. So, if I was trying to learn how to trade options based upon the skills that I know right now, this is what I would do. The first thing that I would do is I would say I would look for 200-day moving average below, not below price, but the 200-day moving average below the 50-day moving average. And second, I would look for 50-day moving average below price. As you can see, there is nothing that is below the price. So in this case, we're looking at let me see what we have. So let's say below price. I think that's a better metric. Meaning, even though the market has crashed, it is still in an uptrend. Okay. The next thing that I would do is would look for a candlestick pattern. I would say select all. Alright, nothing is there. Alright, okay, the next thing I will do is something that's 40 and below. So basically what I'm doing is I'm picking a range. I'm looking for a stock that's within a buying, deep buying range. Okay. So we have two. We have IBM and Visa. So this means even if they have crashed, they are within the RSI range. Okay. So even if they have crashed, they're still within the buying range of the RSI. And so that's what we want. So we want to pick something that's trending, right? If the market trends upwards, it means there's some stocks that are trending upwards with it. Okay, it means there's some stocks that are trending up with it that are good, that are good buys. Okay. The next thing that I would look for is let's look at the market D. I have market D here. All right, so we're looking at the mark D, and so when you look at the mark D now, you're now trying to understand the way the market moves. Okay. So basically, what we are waiting for is for this line on the MACD to cross. Okay. So we're waiting for the MACD line to cross. Another thing that I would look at is I would look at the DMI. Okay, so this means the market is trending downwards. Okay, that's what this means, right? Okay. This is interesting. So it's giving us a buy signal on the RSI, but it's giving us a sell signal on the DMI. This is really weird. Okay. Even though it hasn't given us a buy signal on the stochastic RSI. We're kind of looking for a situation like this. Like, look at what happened here. Like, this is the type of situation that we're looking for, right? This is the type of situation that we are looking for. Okay. So as you can see, this, in my opinion, was the last buy signal. It was right there. So, in my opinion, this was the last buy signal, and as you can see, it has dipped from this line right there. You see that? So what am I trying to say? This could actually be a good dip buying time. Okay, let's see if we can find a similar time. I can't find it on this chart. Okay, but I found it on Visa though. See if I can find it here on Nvidia. I haven't found it in Nvidia. Sorry. The only place I found it is in Visa. It's close enough. Close enough. Somewhere. So it's the only place I found. Right there. So this, at this point, the price was above the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, and you can see it had crossed the stochastic, and the stochastic had aligned with the DMI, and so at this exact price, this is the perfect price to buy. So Visa is a good buy. Visa is definitely a good buy. Okay. I don't know if we can find another one. I think it's just Visa because I tried IBM. Maybe let me try reset this, see what we have. Okay, we have Coca-Cola. Let's check Coca-Cola. Close enough. It's close enough. Close enough. Because basically, what I'm looking for is 3%. Okay. Okay. 1%. 1%. We can give it take 10. But I would assume it's a 3%, honestly, because we're looking for that 3% difference. So I would buy Visa, Coca-Cola. What else do we have? I haven't seen anything in McDonald's. Yeah. So yeah, I think Visa and Coca-Cola are the best buys right now. Dip buys. But remember, even at the moment this appeared, let me see. This appeared, I think, somewhere here. I think. Let me see. Yeah, should be somewhere here. Just use the vertical line so that I can make it a bit more clear. Right there. So, yes, somewhere here. Give or take. So at this moment, when it appeared, right, the price was above the 50-day moving average. Okay. The price was above the 50-day moving average, and so you can see the difference between the market crash and it bouncing off, because remember it bounced back, right? So the difference was about 3%, and I believe after this it's going to keep going up. And so positioning yourself right now in these two stocks, which is Visa and Coca-Cola, before the yeah, I think hold until the earnings report. I believe at the earnings report it's going to gap up. So we have 29 by the end of the month. Yeah, so by the end of this month, I think it will definitely show a significant increase in profits, right? So you want to position yourself right now in Visa and Coca-Cola. That's what I think. Now I may be wrong, right? I may be wrong, but just based off the sentiment on the news, because personally I think I'm good at deep buying. I don't know why I'm good at it, but I'm assuming I am. Okay. Okay. So let's look at Bitcoin, for example, at this level right here. I'm giving you an example of Bitcoin to show you how deep buying works. Okay, so let's look at that there. So you can see it's the same. It's the same strategy. Though not exact, but you can see the similarities. So what it is what you need to understand about the market. The stock market follows Bitcoin, right? So the best time to dip buy Bitcoin or the stock market is usually also the best time to dip buy stocks and the stock market. Okay, so right now I would definitely dip buy this market. Play 1000. Will it allow me? Too small? Okay, let's use leverage. Market order rejected. I don't know why. What did I do? Not enough funds. Okay. Anyway, I would have bought it. So that's it for this video. I'd love to thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye and bye bye.